Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 5th, I believe it is, 2023, and we were out here in the bed house harvesting the lettuce, and you can see the praying mantises. Where it is, there it is. They have hatched, and they're crawling all over the place here in the bed house. So you can see here how much the bed house is growing, and we're trying to watch where we step so we don't step on the little praying mantises. They're all over the place in here, and these are really good for getting your aphids and whiteflies. There's another one that just jumped up over here. You can see there's one there, and then there's one there. So these just recently hatched out from cocoons that were in the greenhouse. So we're getting, the lettuce is ready to be harvested here. We have already taken one bowl full out of here so far today, and we're brought another bowl out to get it filled here. Now we do have to watch the sticky traps, which I don't see any in this greenhouse here because... Okay, you just took them all out? Okay, because they will, the little praying mantises will get stuck to the sticky traps, and we don't want that to happen. So we're going to get the rest of this lettuce harvested here. I'll show you what we already got harvested. I have it on the counter in a bowl in the green, I have it on the counter in a bowl in the house. So I will show you what we got off of the first one here. So my dusty miller down there is ready to harvest. I'm going to be harvesting that off for cut flower production. And the nigella, that's growing. I have more of that to actually come in here and be planted in here. You can see the marigolds here, how much they've grown. And you can see the status plants here. That status plant back there is huge. And you can see the red beets here. So once we're finished watering this, we're going to get more of the lettuce harvested, so we'll be right back. So we're getting the lettuce harvested here. We're taking the outer leaves off, and we let the centers keep growing.
Was it only transplanted, what, 2 weeks ago?
I think it was something like that. It wasn't that long ago. Now this does have, our heat is in our floor here. And then our plants are growing in raised beds. And the heat is in the raised beds. Plus then we have extra piping in the greenhouse for additional heating. We use radiant heat to heat our greenhouses with. But by harvesting the outside leaves, we find we get a quicker crop time back on our lettuce coming back. So the centers keep growing, and we're just taking the outer leaves off.
So tender too, man.
Yeah. Trying to watch where I step here so I don't step on any of the little praying mantises.
Yeah, it's going to be hard to do.
Well, yeah, it's warm in the greenhouse. They're not going to be happy if they go outside, so hopefully none of them try and venture out the door. So, I mean, they, most likely because of how warm it is in this greenhouse and being that it's heated, they probably think it's springtime or summer.
Yeah, it's about 3 months early for them.
Yeah.
But it gives a nice
Well,
jump
yeah.
on the bugs.
Yeah, it will. They're gonna do a good job for population control for pests. Yeah, there's one there, little guy. A little one.
It's a weed.
Yeah, gotta pull that out. So this is what, this is the second bowl. I told you I'll show you the first bowl. But you can see here, we have to pull that weed out.
Yeah.
But you can see here what we left. We don't want to cut it too hard. You can see these containers here now, they were planted at the exact same time. And the containers are not in the heated soil. So they're just in the containers in the greenhouse. So this is the other bowl of lettuce here that was harvested off. And you can see how much this one here was. So we got 2 bowls here taken off. So I decided I'm going to harvest this tomorrow. We're going to get it watered for today and make sure it's all nice and fresh. And then I'm going to go ahead and harvest it tomorrow. Okay, so you can see here what I harvested off so far. And you can see what I got in here. And then you can see what's left. Some of these I left to get larger. I needed some different sizes, so I took some of the smaller stuff, and some of it I'm going to let it get a little bit bigger. So I'm going to get this cleaned up here, and you can see it does have some dirt on it. That's why you put down like landscaper's fabric. That'll keep the soil from splashing up when you water it. I didn't think about that when I put this in here. I was thinking more about like the flowers when I brought this over. So that's something I just have to keep in mind, and might change the watering a little bit. When we go to this water here, when we start using the drip irrigation system again, it'll be a lot better. We did bring some more plants in here and over here to transplant in here. I'm going to be getting this cleaned out here, and I brought over more Nigella, brought over some winged everlastings, verbena, gomphrenias, and a few salvias, and another marigold for that one that's not there in the back because it wasn't up yet. So I wanted to actually show you how I harvested this. I'll do that in another video. It's not quite set up yet for me to actually show you how I harvest my stuff. I forgot to bring the tripod out, and it's kind of a little cramped. I want to wait till I have a better setting to show you how to actually harvest your Dusty Miller. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.